Hi.
We'll be right here when it starts.
Very nice. You're gonna be right with Aviv next to him. That's good. Hi. Well, hello. What happened to your shirt? Where's your hand? Are you chewing on your shirt or something? I don't lift these up.
It's
long on you. It's long on you. It's okay. It's okay. Oh my gosh, I can't do it. No, it's okay. He's gonna watch the blender too. The boys are making some green smoothie here. Go ahead, Danny. I think you got it all packed in there. It looks beautiful. Look at all those goodies in there. Let's see what it turns out like.
And then a smoothie.
That one.
It's okay. It's okay.
So much quieter, man. It's okay. Look, so quiet, huh? Amazing. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's my lips.
Oh. I thought it was a giant scratch.
Oh my gosh, yeah, no. It's just my lips. He bumped into my lips. Ooh. It's snowing today. Oh my god. That's like snow hail. There you go. Whoa. Did it so cold outside? I had no idea. It's freezing. Oh my god. It's insane. Look at that.
That's not snow.
What is that? What is it called? Story foam? It does look like little teeny white balls. Okay, let's close this door because it's freezing out there.
No.
No,
Okay.
you know what that is,
He's like,
Gabe?
what is that?
That's just a bath bomb. Somebody's taking a bath on an airplane and it's just bubbling falling down.
That's funny.
No.
They're having a wild bath on an airplane.
Can we play outside?
Of course not. Are you kidding me? It's freezing in there.
Okay. We're not putting it in there with E5 for the zombies come.
Hi. How is my sweet baby? What you doing there? You got lots of toys. Oh, he's just not happy. He might be asking for mama. Oh, those are cute little lips. He just did.
No. Actually, when we go to the cemetery, there's dead people.
Okay, what are you talking about?
No,
You're
just
fine.
pretend. Just pretend.
Hi, Aviv. Oh my
Only
goodness.
pretend, okay, Mama?
Yep,
It's
sure.
only pretend. Let's put all the stuff in this. Oh my god, it's a cookie. Oh my god. I didn't even see this cookie. Is that like a coffee cookie or is it like a chocolate cookie? It doesn't look like a chocolate cookie. It's a chocolate cookie. Actually, yeah. Put it inside. We're not going to eat it yet.
Hey, it's you again. We're having a little bit of a sunshine coming through the windows, which is lovely. But I don't know. I don't know if it's possible to have postpartum depression when the baby is like 7 months old, literally. But I have not been feeling very good at all. I cannot pinpoint to anything specific. But yeah, just been having very difficult days. Couldn't vlog at all. Just gloomy days in my brain. My brain feels very, very gloomy.
What, are you saying that
sad.
stuff, Mama?
No, sweetheart, I just moved that stuff.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. I have these beautiful, healthy little boys, yet something's maybe missing in my brain. I have no idea.
I know, but let's get some medicine. Only in case there's zombies. This is a medicine thing.
Oh, that's funny, guys.
Only and we get so hard. We need and we get her from zombies. We need it. Okay, I'm not telling you. Only grown ups like daddy, not mama, not you, not okay, not little kids like you. We're going this way, Zoe. Fast. Let's go that way. Go the other way. I'll go fast. You go the other way. I'll go this way. Okay. I'm waiting for you to go this way. I'm waiting for you to go fast.
My sweet, sweet baby. He's going up so fast. Yeah. Hi. Hi, baby.